another video, and it's Christmas Day 2023, 9 degrees Celsius, about 44 Fahrenheit, and it's fairly warm. Apparently it's going to be the warmest Christmas day for many years. Don't really believe that though. About 10 years ago it was quite warm then. So we're going to do our usual Christmas Day walk around Bathpool. Come and join us. Coming up to 10 AM. Plenty of cars out and about already. And I guess there's going to be quite a few people walking around Bathpool on this beautiful Monday morning here in Kidsgrove, Christmas Day. We're just approaching the entrance to Bathpool, and I can't believe it's Christmas Day 2023. Where's the year gone? Flown by. So we've had the longest night, or the longest day. We can now look forward to it getting lighter, but probably about another month and we should start seeing a massive difference. I've also got my Christmas present with me today, which is the HoverX1 drone, and I think it's going to be a game changer for the channel. A little bit windy today, but we'll try it out and see what it can do. Quite a lot of people about, and some dogs down here with Christmas jackets on. Well, what a beautiful Christmas day. I don't think we're going to get any sun today. Just sort of cloudy, windy. But I don't mind. So I hope Santa's been good to you all and you've all had wonderful presents. And Santa's obviously dropped everything off in the UK. And he's currently on his way to the east coast of the United States to bring everyone a wonderful Christmas over there. And this is what the rugby fields look like on this Christmas Day. So this is my new toy, and does bring quite a bit of attention, unfortunately. But let's see if it'll actually follow me, which it should do, as we continue this wonderful walk along Bathpool. So definitely going to be a game changer on the trips that we're going to do out to America and Australia. This is going to be pretty awesome, where it'll do all the different following for us. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome. If we run a little bit, it does quite a good job, and it keeps following us. Land it and just put my hand under it, and it's as easy as that. So it'll do quite a few things. It'll do what's called orbit. And this should orbit around us. Which is pretty cool. So you can see it's doing a shot around us there. And then it'll come forward and just put my hand under it. Absolutely loving it. So glad I can bring this beautiful video to you from beautiful Bathpool Park, Kidsgrove. And all we're missing is maybe a bit of snow this Christmas. How about a bit of snow? Much better. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll be on the ski slope today. All the ducks are on the lake. And pretty quiet along this part of Bathpool. And there's Tom Lowe. Always there with his boxing glove. Some beautiful flowers on this seat today. Christmas tree. So in memory of John Cadman, 1934 to 2020. Lovely man, enjoyed the place to walk his dogs. Happy memories. And it certainly was a beautiful area to walk the dogs. No trains today, I guess, with it being Christmas Day. So today's video we are filming with the Osmo Pocket 3 in 2K. And it's doing a pretty cracking job. Can't wait to use this in Australia in about 3 months' time. Looking forward to the trip out to Los Angeles, Sydney and Brisbane. I wonder what they've had for Christmas. So a little bit more about the HoverX1 if you're interested. It's a self-flying drone and it's just got different modes. So you can simply just pull it out of your pocket and get the shots you want. No drone license required. It's 125 grams, so really light. And all the propellers are covered up neatly so it won't injure anyone. And yeah, it just fits into your pocket. Not a GPS drone, so got to fly it in light, not over water or sand. You wouldn't know where it was then. But yeah, nifty little thing. I think it's going to be pretty good. Looks like one of the kids here have got a new bike. Just looking back at where we've come from now. This is my favourite part of Bathpool, the island at the top of the lake. I do like it in spring where you've got all the lily pads. Not quite as windy at the top end of the lake. More kids out on the bikes over there. They all must be new for Christmas. See how much rain we've had lately. Everywhere is just completely flooded. So I hope you check out the video of Nick this morning opening his Christmas presents. He absolutely loves it. And that's live on the channel right now. What a fabulous place to go and sit there. And there's the picnic table at Kidsgrove Beach. It's actually mild enough just to go and have a coffee there. Look at the reflections in the water, amazing. Absolutely awesome. That does look spectacular. So this is doing a 10 feet zoom out and then it's going to come back in and just simply put my hand under it and it's down. So we've got the drone on follow mode again now. pretty amazing. It'll just follow us all the way, wherever we walk. So there we go, that was another play with the drone. Follow me there. Hey, what did you get for Christmas? What did you get for Christmas? Well, hope you're all enjoying the video today, something a little bit different. Playing with the new Christmas toy, which I think is going to bring us hours of fun and some amazing shots from around the world on our adventures in 2024. And then of course walking around beautiful Bathpool. Still quite dull at the moment. Let's look at the stunning scenery. This is dolly track. So dolly track is going to back off from us on this one. Locked on. So it's locked on, so it'll follow me around, and this is recording actual video now, and it's electronically getting rid of the drone noise. Well, hope you've enjoyed this video on Christmas Day 2023, walking around beautiful Bathpool and playing with the new HoverX1 drone. If you enjoyed the video, you know what's coming next. Give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments and subscribe to the channel. Hope you're all enjoying the Vlogmas videos, and we will see you on the next one soon.